Hi everyone, and welcome again to another stream. Today I'm going to be doing a ring, a man's ring, so let's get started. First thing what I want to do is that I want to put my idea on something, on a paper or on a drawing or anything that can help me visualize what I want to design. So I have my paint here, so I'm going to just sketch the ring that I want to work on. Then we move to matrix and we continue our design there. Okay, so oh. Okay, never mind that. So there for now. Background. Okay, here in my paint you can have this type of background, which that it's easier for you to like sketch here, then come and sketch here something else, and then come here and sketch. So it's more convenient. Change the brush. Okay. Down. That color. Stone is over, and it's gonna have from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 10 prongs. This from the top. So this is the top. Let's have it from the side view. So wait, from here. One here. Okay. So this is through finger. Oh. Sorry. Wow. Two, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Okay, as I said, it's just a sketch, so it's not okay. Why is it an OR? Okay, you say save as OR format JPEG on. Oh. cancel. JPEG, save. Okay, here's our ring. So horrible. Okay, we don't want this one, or just keep it for later reference. Okay. Now come to view. Let's change from the Wacom to the mouse. Open. Here. Okay. Put it on the white layer and block it. Seven. 12. Let's see what's the dimension of the 12. German. It's 21. Then 23. So okay. Let's increase the size. Okay. So now we want to do the prongs. Let's start with the curve. Down. Gym profile. Okay. This one is a little bit big, so 0.75, 0.75. Okay.
And both you and I shouldn't be too shy by letting go for once. Come and be free with me. Just look straight ahead. Don't you stay behind. Don't stay behind. Trying to make you feel right. 'Cause our stars are aligned. Can I make up your mind? Follow me to the light. There is so much we can do in this life. Let it sink in. This is where we begin. All that you need to know, now that you understand what I'm trying to show you, is that you and I shouldn't be too shy by letting go for once. Come, let your spirit glow. Just look straight ahead. Don't you stay behind. Don't stay behind. Try to make you feel right. 'Cause our stars are aligned. Can I make up your mind? Follow me to the light. There is so much we can do in this life. Let it sink in. This is where we begin.
Okay, I don't want this part to be curved, so go back. 6H, B2. Okay, so now this one up, up. this curve, and we want the 10. Oh. This curve. This object, the prongs. Okay, this object on this curve. Okay. Good. Okay, we need to adjust these ones here. So we just leave them to later. Now we want to do a curve that connects these two together. So that. One here and one here. Okay. Now choose all of them. Come back here. On this curve. Then this way we have all the curves here. Okay, I have all the curves selected now, and let's give them split. Split from this surface. Delete the surface. Now we need to connect each curve to the second one.
Breaking news. The following message is requested by the state of Malta Talk. There's been an outburst of a deadly
Okay.
infection. I repeat.
Now.
Of a highly contagious virus. Sensed through the station's emergency alert system. The outbreak was caused by two men who have killed and eaten the body of the deceased.
Okay, the reason I choose to have them 10 prongs is that I can use the middle here, and I can use this prong as a middle, as a center. So if I want like to rotate or mirror or anything, then I can do it and it's easy. And similar to this part here. So now, while this one is selected, let's have both sides, and let's give it 0.5. Okay, this is 1 mm. Get down here, curve from here to here and back down. Now select these two, transform, middle, and okay, no, this is not good. What I will do is that come to rebuild, instead of 5, let's make it 7. 7 will be good. I'll show the point so I can have these two. Okay. Don't delete, I don't want it. Just want to take it down a little bit. Okay. Show back the prongs. Okay, let's put back the surface. Let's draw the surface again from here. From here. So what I'm gonna do is that I want to duplicate all these prongs. And this one. Control C, Control V. Put them on the gray layer. Hide it. The rest. Take them from here. Control deselect this one. Now I have them. And put them on the head, which is the prong layer. Okay, now choose the prongs, split, select, delete, select, delete. Now, select the prongs again, and first of all, I want to repeat this one all over. So, select come to array, and from this curve, then yes, okay, I have it now. Now select the prompt, again select the prompt, come to the curve and show the wicket border. Okay, now what I want to do is that I want to select one prompt and split it from end and min. So I have only one. Select the second one, point, then min. Now take the curve, sweep one from this one to this curve. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's try to array this this piece. If it's arrayed good, then I don't need to repeat one step for the whole prompt. Array, still here, array, and yes. See, this is the problem. That okay. And another thing is that they are intersecting with each other, which I don't want them to intersect. So Ctrl Z. Okay, for the shape overall is good, but we have to solve this problem here. I cannot cut it because when I render it will just look not beautiful, like something is wrong there. Okay, let's try again. Maybe I have missed something. From this curve to this curve, this curve. Preview, global, no. Preview, no. Here there is problem. Preview, no. Okay, fine. Preview, no. Fine. Know that what's here inside is right. I know you think nobody cares, but I do, and okay, so it does not want to solve the problem. Then what I will do is that I will select the shape and I will extract this curve and this curve. This one delete. Ah. Okay, this is the problem that having these two, that they are not their alignment not as I want. So let's try to solve it by okay, let's try this way. let's try different ways. So like this curve and this curve. Yeah, this one and this one mirror, and let's try to here. Mirror, copy, center, point to this point, and this point to this point. Okay, now all we need to do, take this two, and pull it down. Okay. Again, select this two, come here, take it inside, just a bit more, here, this one, go down, inside, okay. Let's try now these two, sweep two from this curve, this curve, this curve. And hide, preview, okay. Array, curve, then yes. See, they're not matching. Yeah. Okay, what I will do now, because they are not matching, I have to do it one by one. So, okay, let's delete all these curves. Select, 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 and delete. I don't need them. This hanging one. Just put them on a different layer. Hide. Oh no. Okay, these two. Array on this layer. Okay, this is the problem that we have. Okay, all we need to do is to show the points. This one, and move it into place. Oh, sorry, leave this one out because it's controlling this point. Move it. Then only this one. Move it. Yes. I think this one will be good. But I am concerned about the rendering later. So put them in place. Because this way it's flowing all the way down. It's flowing with the surface. If I choose them all and if I choose the first one and push it in, then it will look like there's an edge there. Point, then these two, the middle. Okay. Hey, how are you? And welcome to my channel. Have you sketched what ring it will be? Yes, of course. I have done like a simple sketch like this. It's horrible. So this is how it's gonna look. But it's going to have like an edge here down. So it's going to be like a curved one this way. Yeah. So hopefully it will end up good. Okay.
Got a little Swedish
Excuse
there.
me. The problem here is only the process of or the steps that we will go through for the ring to be designed at the end. So that's the only problem. So the steps might take a little bit long, like what I have to do here now. Kinshi, do you do any jewelry or do you work on Rhino?
It's delicious.
Oh, that's good. What do you model? Like, do you model characters or you do jewelry or? Oh, that's good. Oh, forgot to split them. Which program do you render on after you design the jewelry? Do you render them on Matrix or do you have other program? Oh, Matrix is good, but sometimes I think the turntable is not as good as I have expected. So I do turntable on Cinema 3D, Cinema 4D. Cinema 4D sometimes I do on Keyshot, but on Keyshot it does not give you the fire of the stone in a very beautiful way. You feel that it's like a fake stone there. So I try as much as I can to go to like reality as much as I can. Yeah. One of the renders that I have done, which was the where is it? Let me get it for you. Project. Oh. Where? Yeah. This one that I have worked on in the stream. The render was here on Matrix. I did the streaming, but because I I did some violation for the songs, so they muted my my speech. So some portions you cannot hear me what I'm explaining about the design. But the part 3, which I'm choosing what you're listening now from the song. So these ones are okay. I have this one. This one has been modeled on ZBrush. Yeah. This one also on ZBrush. Then I put it on in Matrix, and I put the gems and everything. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Do you have anything to share? Can we see your designs? Do you have a link? Oh, yes. Sorry that the night vote is. Let me see. Hmm. Sorry, because I'm not sure what songs I have to put so I don't get muted. Come on, night vote. Okay, now you can request a song. Oh. Okay, the message has been deleted. So it's a dog face, right? Kenshi, is it a dog face? Okay, now we have to build the ring all the way down. Let's join these parts. Unable to join. Why? Oh no. Okay. Oh, sorry. Then split from the skirt. Delete. Okay. Over here. We always face problems, and we always solve it. So. Okay. Now we can join them. This one here is not matching. So two curve. Okay. I don't think we can do anything to this surface. Okay, what we can do here is wait. Okay, Ctrl Z. This surface, I will just split it from here. Then I will figure out a way to solve it later on. Let's hide all this. Let's try to array and see if we can join them together. Okay, we have to join. Unable to join surface. Good. That's good. Okay. Join them for now, then we solve the problem later. Okay, that's good. So now, take out all these curves. Split. One. By 2. No, 2 is too small. 15. 15 is too small. Let's make it 6. 60. No, sorry, not 60.
I remember sneaking out after dark. You'd have been on my mind all night long. Maybe we'd have got a vodka lemonade. We show the cool kids how to be the youth of today. We jump the fence and play in the Mr. Grogan's pool. Hit call the police and we hide behind the school. We spend hours throwing stones into the sea. They were the best days of my life, I promise thee. Oh, I could be a saint while you would be the sinner. My mother used to frown when I'd invite you home for dinner. Oh, my darling, how I miss you to the day. I'd give my everything to see your face again. Oh, I'm so sorry I've been distant in the past. I've written tons of letters and they'd ended in the trash. Oh, my darling, how I miss you to the day. I'd give my everything to see your face again, my friend.
Let's make this part 5 mm.
I remember falling so in love with you, but your parents packed your bags and moved away. Your father got a job in the Empire State.
Okay.
Oh, I wish you stood your ground and stayed behind. I've loved and I've
Yeah.
lost.
Hi Isaac, welcome to my chat.
I guess you
How are you?
have a life and a family, but I promise my heart will always have a place for thee. Oh, I could be a
Yeah, you can scroll down all the to the bottom of the page, and there is final request. In the final request, you can take your file and drop it there, and I will receive the file.
I've been distant in the past. I've written tons of letters and they'd ended in the trash. Oh, my darling, how I miss you to the day. I'd give my everything to see your face again, my friend.
Why is it cold? Huh? But I have dub. Why? Why do you have dub? Ah! Okay. Here it's hot. But this couple of days it's raining, like every day raining, so the weather is awesome. Yeah, it's been like, I think, 3 weeks. It's raining like every day. It's winter. Okay, just send me whatever you want. Yeah, and I don't think the file is gonna be that big. Why do you have them on different files? Why not all in one file? Okay, just send me the files and I will check them out. Okay, let's first save for a think, yeah, here, yeah, it's here. Okay. Yeah, I have received them all. Uh, Let me save my work here and wow. Okay, let me move this to the center because it's way off center. This is the center. Okay. Uh, Okay, what do you want to do with this these plans? And what's the problems that you're facing? Okay. Is it this one? Is it this? Okay. Can you send me the file? Can you send me the 3D file? Okay, let me see the video then. Why do you have this part empty? Is it not supposed to be curved here? Or if this is true, then yeah, it's correct. From here. Yeah, I got the Rhino file. The upper bar, chest extra, and Revit, and the Rhino. Wow, so big. Okay, let's shrink it down.
I'm lost without you here with me. If I can find a way, come sing with me. With all the joy that we got in our heart, lost somewhere in the gray in between. I forget how happy we can be. I am lost without you here with me. If I can find a way, with me. If I can find a way. I am lost without you here with me. If I can find a way. With me. If I can find a way. Come sing with me, with all the joy that we got in our heart, lost somewhere in the gray in between. I forget how happy we can be. I forget how happy we can be. I am lost without you here with me. If I can
Is it this part?
with me, if I can find a way. I am lost without you here with me. If I can find a way.
So you can look Y problems. Okay. So you are having a problem here in this area, correct? Do you want it to be sharp, or do you want it to be curved a little bit from the front, like a loft?
Last night, visions of sunsets fade down into the night sky. Your eyes lit up with moonlight. Eyes, fog lights clearing the darkness. Black skies hiding the bright sky. Your hand race for attention. Eyes up above these cold waves, up above these cold waves. I can save these last days. I can save these last days. Up above, up above, up above these cold waves. I can save these last days.
Do you want this blue? This surface, do you want it? Or just let me put it on a different layer.
Last night, visions of darkness, face up under the night sky. Your eyes
Okay.
moonlight. Eyes up above these cold waves, up above these cold waves. I can save these last days. I can save these last days. Up above, up above, up above these cold waves. I can save these last days.
come to properties, aliases, come to zoom selected, Ctrl C, copy it, go to your keyboard and put it somewhere here. That's easier for you to zoom. Ctrl V. Okay. See, now you select this object and you cannot rotate properly. So when you press F2, yeah. Okay. Seeing this area as okay, never mind. So our problem is with this line, right? This one is outside. Okay. Yeah, you have, see this? This plane is outside this curve. Outside this curve. So, and here you have lots of sections. Like this section and this section. If it was one surface, these two, then it might be easy. So, let me see what I can do about that. Okay, is it this file that you sent just now? Okay, let's hide this blue one first. Yeah. Okay, try to avoid having this type of cut. Yeah, this one it will cause you a problem. See this one? This one is not good. So, join them. Join. Just a second, let me adjust the hotkeys here. Point, Control C. See this point? This one is not good. So try to avoid this type of point. Okay, this one is okay. This one is good. Redirection. Yeah. Okay. Let me confirm. Is your problem in this area? In the front part of the boat? Is that? Okay. Okay. So let me see what I can do, and then we talk about it. Yeah. So I don't get confused. So what I'm trying to do here is to make sure that these lines are clean. They don't have any problems. Okay, that's first. So you see, like, this line is only to here. So I have to make sure that this line is all the way to the end.
Where our love grew strong through a friendship that won't die. Show me where we created our greatest plans. On the field of battle, in the childish minds we had.
Because when you construct a surface and it have like where is it? Like this type of corner, then that's not good. You see, even here, you see, like there is 2 points near to each other. Yeah. Try to avoid this type of curves. So you see, and one of them is a sharp corner. That's not good. So this one you have to delete. Come here. See, this one also the same. One is sharp corner, and the second one have nothing to do with the curve at all. So this one just delete it. Make sure that your lines are clean and it have like even number of points. See, like here there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 making this line, and here there is like a 20. Yeah, this type of curves you have to avoid. So what we can do now is split point, this point. Okay? Okay, this curve, let's go to the builder. See, it's 35 for just this one. So what we can do, let's make it 20. Preview. When you press preview, check did the line have any big changes. Like this one here is okay. Yeah, see here there's nothing, so it's only this point here and it's okay. And we come here, choose this curve, and let's check how many is there. It's 8. Let's make it 3 because it's just a short distance. Preview. See, not only this little bit have changed. Okay. See now, when we join these two curves, so this is join, show the points. See now our curve is clean. Come to the second one. Show the points. See how here there is too much? So split point let's have the end on and okay, and four review. Okay, this one 61. That's so much. Okay. Okay, now these two, join them together. Now, what we can do is that if it's on a flat surface, we can just see. Here's our curve, snapping, vertex. I'm back. Yeah, it's okay. You can always come back and check on the Twitch. The stream will be saved, or you can go to my YouTube channel and you can see it there. You can check where's the where the parts that you have missed. There is something wrong here. Have you looked anything in the file? Because it's on point and I cannot select the point. Nah. Okay, did you have any problems with your snaps while you were working? Hmm. Yeah, even with you see it, yeah, it's snapping from this point, but I don't know why it's not snapping from the other side of the plane. Ah, what's this guy doing here? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, if we are only working on the bottom part, let's hide all these curves from here. Let's leave this one. If these two sides are the same, it's easier to be working on one and mirror it to the other side. Okay, don't have both of them here and you want to work and you cannot see, then it's a problem. Yeah. So this curve. Wow, what's going on here? Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god, it's disaster. Okay, always make sure that you're working on a clean curves. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's delete this guy here. The curve, the gray one is locked, yeah? No. Okay, I'm trying to take out this brown one from my view. And you don't have gray one in here. Okay, never mind. Let's take out this. Okay. So this is the shape that you want to build. Okay, I am going to reconstruct the whole shape using the ones that you already have. Actually, if you want to follow the gray one, is way higher than the one that you have built. Why did you give it this sharp corner in here? Is it just a design? Do you have one here and one here? Okay, let me work on it and then we see how it will end. Yeah?
When your world
is crumbling now. Just know that I'll be around. I'll always be there to catch you when you're falling. I know that you've been feeling down every time that you call out. Girl, I will be there every time you need me. And you know we gotta be together, 'cause we are designed to be forever. And we are refined to say we'll never fall apart. Lean When the downtown lights start to come out at night, we go insane, we go insane. And when I arrive, I start to lose my mind. I go insane, I go insane. Cause they told me you take too much. Yeah, I sure do, so I can feel that now. If they only knew how this was, yeah, they would too, just to feel that now. Cause I ain't got no friends, I ain't got nobody. All I got ahead is a moonlit road. I ain't got nobody. All I got ahead is a moonlit road. When the downtown lights start to come out at night, we go insane, we go insane. And when I arrive, I start to lose my mind. I go insane, I go insane. Cause they told me you take too much. Yeah, I sure do, so I can feel that now. If they only knew how this was, yeah, they would too, just to feel that now. Cause I ain't got no friends, I ain't got nobody. All I got ahead is a moonlit road. Cause they told me you take too much. Yeah, I sure do, so I can feel that now. If they only knew how this was.
I draw this curve, so this one, so the curve here will come and go all the way straight, because if you take it up, once you take it up, you will have a sharp corner in here. If you have it on the same level as this one, then it will be curved nicely, so you don't have any problems there at that point. You can bring it together, see, because when I mirror this to the other side, you will have a nice curve. See, these points, try to avoid them. What you can do for this curve is rebuild it again. So 5, it's 8 points, make it to 6 points. Okay, no. Let's see. Let's have it 9. No, it's not good. Okay, what I can do in here is that I can just delete this one this way, and make sure that it's on the same okay, fine. See now this curve, what we can do is mirror it. Just the word just fly out of my mind. Oh. Okay, let's mirror. You see, like, have you seen what I have done just now? If you want, see, this black line is because you have cuts in your curve. So what I mean by cuts is this. See this one? This is a cut. This one will make this black line, and this black line will start making problems for you here. So instead of having the curve, this surface come and join all the way here in the middle, which is, of course, it's not good. As you can see, it's like a huge mess in here. You have to let it to end at the edge, then put a surface here, a plain surface, then you fillet the corners. That's what I'm trying to do here. So I pulled this curve from here to the back. You see, now I want to mirror this curve. See? See, I have mirrored the curve, and you have this part is bigger than this part. So okay, what you can do is just where is it? Move here. Okay. Oh my god. The ruler fall inside the cup of tea. Oh my god. Like, why inside tea? I'm having a cup of tea. So, you can play with the curve. Yes, damn it. You can play with the curve here as much as you want, but make sure that you don't have this. You see the one that I just built? See? It's a smooth curve. So what you can do, you can take this one and pull it all the way down for you to sharpen the curve. See, for you to sharpen this curve, this corner. Like, see, you can raise it up. You can take this one, push it inside to have the curve in here, or you can move it to other position. See, like something like this. This is an example. Yeah. Okay, so right here, Why is it way? See, like, even if you place it here, see, it's far away from the point. What you can do is that select them and select this point and move it in. See, now it's snapped. Okay, say this is your shape, and you want to have a surface. Come here, choose these two as your guide. You see, we have this point. You have to be careful from this. Yeah. So what you can do here, this one, make it on a separate, what they call it, on a separate, like, on a separate sweep, swap. Okay, split, point, split this one from here. You know, select your curves. Yeah. No, not a different layer. Let me show you. Loft. Review. No, not loft. Okay, it's here. Sorry. Select this one and sweep to from this curve. See, this is just an example. Yeah. You see how you don't have that sharp edge like this, and you don't need all these cuts. This is too much. You don't need all this. You just have to check the main ones, the main point. Like, for example, one here at the end, one here at the corner where they're gonna meet. Yeah, then one here, and one down. You see, now we have a problem here. So let's go and see how we're gonna solve this problem. Actually, no, it's not a problem. It's just okay, I did not choose this curve as the last point because I gave you an example what you have to do and how you have to swap this one. Yeah, so you just need to edit these curves. Just show the point, delete this point, take this one and come on, take this point and all the way down, and see if you have any points that are sharp. Okay, see, like this point is sharp, so you don't need this point. Just delete it and rebuild your curve to be very clean curve. See, I put this one here. So mirror, Yes. See how the curve is so clean? Yeah? This edge is you who have to play with it by showing the point and bringing this one either here inside or however you want it to be. I hope you understand on my point. Was it clear? Isaac? Isaac? For the endpoint here, let's delete this one and this one. So we have this curve, like I just told you now. See, we don't want to have this sharp curve, this sharp edge in here. Yeah, so come all the way here, show the point. See, this one also is sharp. Delete it. Draw a line. And take this point and give near here. The same level as this point. Let's see. This one, delete it. See this one, delete it. You can take this point all the way down. Okay, for us to have a fillet corner in here, if you don't want a sharp one, select these two. Sorry. Show the point. Okay, this one is out of take this point back to here, it's there, on the same level. Take this point and pull it all the way to upward. Take this point and pull it all the way upward. Ctrl Z for both. Take out the snaps. You just put it on the same level as the point there. See, so it will have this nice curve. make sure that they are on the same level. Take it to the middle. Snap near. See, just make sure this one, see, and this one there. Now this one delete. Okay. Let's split from this curve. Yeah. Select these four, and let's see if this will work. Where is it? Surface. Select first curve, this one, this one, this one.
Fire burns out on an afternoon. The flame was so bright, but it burned so soon.
Ah,
Now there's nothing left
okay.
to go up in flames.
Yes.
Don't you look back. Don't look back in sorrow. The clouds of today will pass tomorrow. Don't you look back. Don't look back in sorrow. These ashes don't look so bad. Remind us of all we had. We're living life in a dream. We're living life on the other side. We felt alive in a dream. We brought a light to the other side.
This nice and curve. Let's try something. Cannot see the point. Okay. Never mind. Yeah, I know. I want you to go to your project again. So I'm just. It's the same music you're listening. I am listening. So, it's like cracking in my ears. Okay. The same steps that I have just done now. You go back, open your file, clean everything, the things that you don't want deleted off, okay, and rebuild your curves from scratch. Go back and see this curve, show the point. If it have any corners like this, delete these corners. This corner, delete it out. This one, delete it out. Let your corner to be clean and smooth, okay, and then adjust it the way that you want, like the shape that you want it to be. Make sure that this point and this point are on the same level. Draw a curve all the way out. Take this point and give it on the snap near, yeah, and let it to match the line, this line. Okay, the reason why you need it to be matching, so when this line comes and it's facing the other surface, it looks very smooth. It does not look sharp. Okay? And for this one here, what I have done is that I brought this point all the way to the tip here, okay, and as you can see that it's on the same I just said the word. Okay, they're on the same level, and this one is also on the same level. How I took the curve, I put the curve, draw it, see, and I snap these 2 points on this curve. Then no, axis is the X, Y, and Z. That's the axis. Yeah. So as you can see here, what I have done, let me mirror this to the other side, or no, I have splitted the head separately onto its own curves. Yeah, that's why I told you leave it to the end. Just split it out. Make this part first. Make the whole portion of the back first. Then split the head and do the head separately. So select the curves. Yeah, and let's see, patch. See how it's smooth, but when you go down, it's not. See, you have to make sure that this one is curved properly. If this one you don't want it to be sharp, then you have to split this part also. So I have this one, and I'm happy how the result of the tip up and how the result of the bottom down. Okay, so come to the curve. Here, okay, extract iso curve. Press on the surface and show that curve. Yeah, come to the other side, extract iso curve, and tell him from the point here, let these 2 points be matching each other. You see, it's a sharp corner. So what you can do here is delete the surface, take your point, top view, see it's sharp corner, take the point up, like we have done up in the top part. Draw a curve all the way up, shift, slide it to the side, to the middle, and take this point and let it to snap here. Again, the other side, take this point and let it to snap. Now, what we can do is that we can do them separately. Take this one, and this one, and this one. So what we have, we take these two and give it sweep to. Sweep to, where is it? Sweep to from this curve to this curve. Okay, and choose this one and this one sweep 2 from this curve to this curve. Now, see, it's all smooth, all the way down. Now, take 1, 2, 3, and give it patch. 1, 2, 3, patch. Yeah, something like this. Okay, Isaac? If you still want this point to be smooth, then draw another curve all the way to here. Extract the curve all the way to here and do the process again. So you will be having 1 part, 2 part, 3 part. The head will be on 3 parts and your problem is solved. Again, always make sure that your curves does not have sharp corners. Like this. See? Sharp corner. Once you have this sharp corner in one edge, you will have this line all the way to the end. And it will start causing you problem. For the back part, say we have this one and this one, sweep 2, where is it? Sweep 2, this curve, all the way to the end. Of course you have to tell him which end you want it to be. So let's say it's this end, yeah, but the end have to be on the tip here. Yeah, so even this, if you don't want it to have a sharp corner in this area, yeah, if you don't want it to have sharp corner, what you can do is that split this point. Okay, split this curve just for now. Just for now. Rebuild it again. Say rebuild it on 5. 5. It's okay. Show the point. Take this point. Okay. Ctrl Z. Take out the snaps and let it to be this way. See? Matching the direction of this curve. This curve is going this way, so in this direction, then let the point to be matching that direction. Why? So this curve will be going all the way inside, like this. There is no a sharp edge there that will have like this. So it will be all like smooth. So then you will have this point that you'll bring it all the way down. So the surface will come all the way to here. And it will not say, oh, here this point is sharp. No, it's not gonna see that. It will see it smooth and continue. Then you will have a nice reflection like this. If you do a rendering or anything else. So yeah. Is there any other question? Have you understand on my explanation? Awesome! I'm so happy to help you. If you... Okay, ask me. Hmm. Okay. Okay. In that case, what you will do? Yeah. Okay, what you will do is that once this part is all constructed as however you want it to be, where is it? You come and build a surface. Say this is it, and it's all ready. You build a surface. You put the surface wherever you want it to be. Say it's here. Okay, let's mirror this part and see if it... Join. Okay, say it's this is the one that you want. Okay, so what you will do is that you select this surface and you give it split from this surface. Delete, and you have it. Is it clear? That's great. Always make sure that your curves are clean. You don't have a complicated curve. This one I have cleaned it up. I'm not sure if... See, see how this one is ending? That's not good. See how here you have like 2 points, and here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 points. So try to make sure that you have as less points as possible. Yeah, that will be good. You see, see this point here? Yeah, you have one here, here, and how many? 13 here. So that's what will cause the problem. I don't think so, no. I don't think so. If there is, it will should have solved my whole problems. Yeah. No, the only way that you can select the curve and rebuild the curve again. Rebuild the curve. Yes. You don't need to rebuild every time. No. Okay, don't build your curve. Okay, for example, you want to make the bottom portion here, right? So where is the curve? Ah, okay, this is the curve. Let's be on this layer, right? Okay, we have this curve here, okay, and we have this curve here. So this point is the middle, is this line, is the middle, yeah, middle here. So what you can do is that you join these 2 points. Okay. Select the point. This one, it have to match the straight line. So take it off. Why? So it can keep this curve for you. See, this is what we don't want. This point. This one, delete it all. Okay, we have only 4. This one, rebuild it. Say it's 5. Let's make it 7. Okay, that's an example. Let's delete this one because we don't want it. Yeah, now we build our shape. See, like this. This one, it have to stay on the same. So put it back and take it back down. Yeah, see, it's nicely curved. If you want it more sharp, then take it in, but it will stay nice curve. Select this both, join them. Now what you have to do is bring this point down and delete this point. You see, you have a sharp corner, but it's not sharp, it's fillet. Yeah? So you can take this one down, or you can take this one off. Yeah? To make it bigger. This way, when you make sweep, when you make sweep, you will have a nice surface. Okay, say we want to make where is it? Oh. Don't know. Let me check it in Netflix. Let's see. extrude curve straight. Rhino, Control C, Control V. Okay, this is the curve. You see what? If you build the curve this way, now this curve you can show its point, and you can add more points. Let's see, this surface, it's 9, it's 2 points, let's make it 3 points here. 7, let's make it 9. Good 9. See? This is how the surface will be. You can show the points of the surface even if it's big. So just have to position it back how it is. This way. This one here. Yeah. Or what you can do is that all the way straight. See, I built a curve. Now select all these points, move this far, near to this curve. Now select this one, this point, near to this curve. Take this one, delete it. I'll put it back. Put it over here. Yeah, you can sharpen it however you want. Look, what's going on? Damn it. Okay, delete this curve. Okay, it's snapping to the plane. So yeah, that's my point. Because you build the surface on a clean curve, then you can show the points of that surface. But if we come to this, see, we cannot show the point. Let's extract, show points. See, now we can show points of this one, but it's only cut from here and cut from here. If you want to sharpen this one, select the top part. It's not affecting the edge. Yeah. Yeah, you can either for example, you want to split this point near, you can either put your curve here and split from curve, see, split, or split from point. Then you will choose which point that you want to split from, which area. For example, here, now it's split. You can split the curve from a surface if you want. You have it. Curve, with the surface. This is the surface of the surface. Yeah, select the curve, split from the surface. Now the curve is two pieces. Yeah. You can always make a shortcut. So you come to File, Properties, and come to your keyboard, and aliases. I have on my mouse, this is the mouse, I have this 0, 0, 0, 0. So what that will do is that when I want to draw a curve, I just click the middle mouse button and it will 0 in the middle. Here I have, let me show you the matrix one. Matrix and Rhino are the same setting, the same curves, the same everything. So I use Matrix more because everything is here, everything is shown in front of you. All the curves, all the tools, and they're the same what Rhino have. But here it's all like compact and arranged nicely. See? Surface, solid, transform. The problem with Rhino is that you have to open all this in front of you while you are working. So come back to here, properties. This is my keyboard setting. Max viewport. The max viewport, point on, zoom, select, enter, 0, target to 0. Here the object properties, orthographic, do I have, yeah, I have group. Where is it? Control G for Control G for group, and Control U for on group. Yeah, this is easy for you to group objects together and on group them. I don't use other than the one that I have set. Like I don't press Ctrl 4 for swap, sweep 2. So I just go and choose sweep 2. Because it's easy to come here and this is sweep 2, this is sweep 2 history. Sweep 1 history. See, like this is F1 to maximize the viewport. Keyboard, let's copy it, cancel, come to Rhino, properties. I have zoom selected. Let's put it on here, F4. Test. Okay. Now, see? It will work the same. If I come to top. Yeah. Any other questions, Isaac? Split open and that's depend on what you're doing, because there's no like proper way. If you are, for example, what is it? Okay, like we have this curve, okay, and you want to split it, then or join. Problem doing that, I always end up using cap. Yeah, even me, I use cap. I use cap a lot for closing my the surfaces. Let's back. Okay, like this one. Yeah, I just click cap. First cap, cap, this cap. This one unable to cap is because the surface is distorted. It's not straight. So use curve, choose a surface, and split from curve. See, delete. Now this one can be capped. Cap, this cap. See, it's capped. For your type of designs, you cannot just come and say, okay, I have this curve, okay, and I want to put this one here and join them. That's it. If your purpose is to fillet the object later, then you have to know at which stage that might be. Like, for example, okay, you have this and it's a box. Box is okay, but like if you have this part, then you better adjust your curve to be smooth and filleted. Rather than having it sharp, then you come later on and you want to fillet the curve like this. Okay, let's have it smaller. It's 0.1 here. See, but even this, it will have problem because have this corner and it have this corner. Only if you come and delete these corners. See, now it's good to go. But always make sure that you don't have too much point in one area. Like this is too much. So delete. You have this corner, go back, delete this corner, and keep this too. Is it clear? Okay, like what I have just done now. You can split a surface in different ways. For example, you have this one and you want to split it from here. So you either use a curve, choose the surface, and then split from this curve. What will happen is that split. Or what you can do is you have a cube, but the cube have to cover the object. It's not like a curve. See, like the curve, I draw it here, but it still can split the object so far. But cube or any surface geometry cannot. It have to intersect the piece that you want to split it. Split from this. This one delete, and you have it here. Have it here. But for me, I always choose a curve to split my object. Okay, another 5 minutes and we will wrap it up. Any other questions, Isa? Okay, for example, you have this and you want to split it. So select, you have to be on which axis, yeah, on which view, which axis. For example, this axis, from here you want to split it, split, choose. So now you have this part. What you can do is that you can choose the same object that you split with, okay, and it's straight. See, you extrude your curve to the point that you have split it. Then you choose this curve and you tell him split from this one. Delete, and now you have this part, and just join them together. Join. See, now it's closed. If you were cutting a straight surface like this one, you just cap it. If it have like this type of shape, then you have to find other methods. That's great. Yeah, always welcome. If you need any help, you can always catch me on my schedule, and you can ask me whatever question you want. Yeah, it is. It's 2 o'clock. 2 a.m. I normally sleep at like 2.5, around there. They're always welcome. If you see me online and streaming, always come and watch me what I'm doing. Maybe there is something that like you will learn something out of it. Even if it's not about, even if it's not in Rhino, it will be in Matrix, and I will be using the same tools, the same split, the same curve, but maybe the icon shape is different, like I just explained a while ago. Yeah. If you have any other friends, let them to join, and if they have any questions, I will be happy to answer. I will use like different techniques to design rings, and it's the same that what I have told you just now about the curves and about the surface, how to split and how to join and how to solve problem. That's the most important thing, is how to solve the problem. Not you just stuck on the problem and you cannot do anything. So it's very important to figure out how to solve it, because there's different ways. It's just there, and it took me a long time for me to understand on the program and know how to solve lots of things. Yeah. No, don't. Okay. What you can do is that you can have let's see. You can have them this way. What are the most tools that you always use? Just see, just put them there. Okay. See, you have them all here. Just change and choose. Always have the most used tools in front of you, other than coming here and split, then you come face. Then it's like it takes a little bit of time. But if it's here, like for example, surface, okay, you have them here. Split, you have it split here, and trim here, join, explode.
Listen.
Yeah, of course. You see, using matrix here, they're all here in front of you. Even you can like type split, but why to type split while you have it here? Split here, trim here, and join here. See, like near to each other. Move, you just select your object and move it however you want. If you want to use the gizmo, then the gizmo is here. I don't use the gizmo much. See, this is Rhino 5. All the tools of Rhino.
Drop.
Okay, Isaac, we will wrap it here. Thank you very much for hanging out with me, and hope to see you again next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.